Uh-huh.
Okay, we need shots of the security features,
Ooh,
the alarm system,
pretty.
ventilation, cameras.
In here. Alright. What did he say? Cameras? Thanks for opening the door, monsieur.
Sir, thank you.
The alarm keypad is on the left when you come in, on the wall by the side door. Glasses are live, shoot away. The alarm, the vents, and the cameras, come on!
Shit.
Okay, that's their alarm.
Chill.
Can you get me an air vent in one of the cameras?
Oh, I see a camera.
Great, you got the security
And I
camera
see a
and the
vent.
ventilation in that shot. Good work. Now speak to the assistant and see if there's anything else we need to know.
Okay. Oh, nice pictures, beautiful. Ooh, jewelry, so much fancy. What?